I'm hungry. Let's see what we've got. Ew, nasty. Hey!
Oh my! What happened?
Huh? What's that?
What's wrong with you?
I need food. Time for a cooking challenge.
Whoa!
Make something with marshmallows. Go!
Here you go.
Huh? Sweet!
Got it! These crystals will do the trick. Lay 'em out. Now time for the hammer! Oh yeah! Nice! Oops! My bad! Now let's grab my special solution. Dip the marshmallow and roll it in crystals like this. Dessert's done! Mmm! What are you doing? You ate almost all of it!
Oops! I got this anyway. First, mix coffee and cream. Shake it real good like this. Now pour it into the glass. Sweet! Now add marshmallows. Let's add ears, arms, and legs. And draw this cute little face. Oh, time's up. Show me what you made.
Enjoy!
Whoa, this looks awesome. Let's try it. Ew! Bitter much? What? Gross. Not my thing. Let's try this one. Whoa! This is fire! We got a winner!
For real? Yes! I'm the best!
Let's level up the challenge.
Got it.
Go!
Ooh! Let's check this out. Hey! Where's the bread? Oh, gotta think fast. Oh! Cheese would work. Oh, kinda tiny. Stack it all together. Cheese instead of bread. Like this.
That's so small!
Oh, really? Watch this, kid. Oh, there you are. Let's do this. Come on, Jeannie, show up.
Whoa!
At your service, mistress. 3 wishes await.
Awesome. See that sandwich? Make it huge.
No problem. Abracadabra!
No way! That's epic! Make me fairy wings!
Here you go, I guess.
Whoa! Love it! Now I want a mermaid tail!
Cringe.
Amazing!
Oh boy, why though?
Later. Okay, now it's cooking time. What else? Oh, this syrup's perfect! Pour it in and stir it good. Sweet! And for filling, let's use ice cream! Yes! Spread it out. Pop it off. Done! We're ready! Let's see. Whoa! I'm starting with this one. Ew! Way too cheesy! Not feeling it. Oh! Okay, now this one. So good! This sandwich wins! Yes! That's how it's done!
Oh, really? Where are your wings now?
Oh no! Now it's time for a harder challenge. Croissant!
Oh,
Go!
this is gonna be fun.
I'll start with the filling. Oh yeah! Mix it up!
Hey, what the heck? Gross!
Oops!
All right, let's go. Waha!
Oh my! Forget the test tubes. Use this.
Let me see. Whoa!
Huh?
Aw, look at this dough. Roll it like this. My grandson's gonna love it. Better make more. What's next in the recipe?
I can't believe my eyes! Give me that!
What? Ooh! I'm back! even is this? Oh, this needs something green. And some eggs. Hi-ya! Oh, yeah! Now let's give it some heat.
Yikes! Time to fill this croissant with something yummy. Drizzle on some sauce. And add some yummy toppings. Just like that.
Whew! I'm done!
Show me. Look how tasty. Alright, let's try it. What the heck? What is this? Unacceptable.
Oh, no!
Let's try this one. Oh yeah, this one wins. Yes! Now I want something chocolatey. Cool.
I'm on it.
Go! Whoa, look at all this stuff.
What do I do? Oh, got an idea. Hope you don't mind.
Finally!
Hey, where's my mixer? Okay, just gotta rewind time. Genius! Now let's show these berries some of my secret moves. Hi-ya! Perfect! Now drown it in chocolate.
Big deal. I need to squish you into a mold. Oh, got it! There we go. Now line it up. And press it down. Chocolate time! Oh, yeah! Into the mold. Oh, yes! Looks awesome! Cool! Now a little gold on top. Just like that. Should I eat this myself? Whoa! Huh? Show me what you got. Not bad. Let's try it. Yum! Whoa! Fancy chocolate! Nice job! Knew it! Applause for me! And this one? Oh, yeah. Huh? What's that? Huh? No! This chocolate's got berry virus! Gross! I don't like it.
Oh, guess I messed up somewhere.
Looks like I win! Sweet! Cookie time!
Alright.
Time's ticking! Go! Ooh, what do we have here?
Plain cookies? Boring. Let's add some chemistry magic. Food dye, eggs, shake it up. Oh, yeah! Now pour it here, just like that. And bring out the tongs.
Oh my! Raining dough balls! Sweet! Time to skewer these into cookie kebabs! And bake them up! Bam!
Focus, focus! Dip some cookies here. Others there. Perfect! Then into the pan.
Smells delish! Yum yum! Just need a glass of milk. Oh yeah! All done! I'm ready!
Hey!
Give it to me! Whoa! Nice presentation! Dip it in milk. Let's taste. Could be better. What? Whoa, this one looks weird. Actually, it tastes amazing! Oh yeah, I'm picking these!
Score! Don't mess with Grandma!